Morning, good morning, good morning. Fresh. Hindi ko alam, binuksan niya na yung isang regalo niya. So, we have a good night's sleep, Alec, right? So, ngayon, check out na kami. On the way na kami, magdadrive na kami papuntang France. Si Daddy Albert ang magdadrive today, ayun. So, ako naman ang upo dito sa likod. So, it's parang 4 hours journey, 4 hours and a half drive. 4 hours and a half. So, ayan. Then, doon muna kami, stop muna kami sa Eiffel Tower. Isa yun sa bucket list ko na makita. Diba, Lek? Yeah. And then tomorrow, Disneyland.
And you know, I wanted this cat. So, I check how this is around, and I check here, and then I hope I got the cat, and then I got it. What I wanted.
Anyway, we enjoy Belgium even though it's 1 day lang. Masaya naman, maganda kung nakita niyo yung previous video namin. And today naman, we're gonna explore France. So we'll be there like for 4 days yata, or 3 nights and 4 days. Kasi nga, doon namin isa-celebrate yung birthday ni Alec.
But Mommy, you said only 2 nights.
No, 3 nights. Doon natin isa-celebrate yung birthday. Doon namin isa-celebrate yung birthday niya. So, doon kami
but I just said 1 night is okay, and then
no, it's not 1 night. Anyway, guys, mamaya na lang ulit mag-update kami later. Bye!
In 400 meters.
So, we're entering na Paris.
No, France.
France pala. We're entering
Paris.
France.
200 kilometers more.
And I have my gift, and she's gonna be so happy because it's a pet gift.
Continue straight.
So, entering France territory.
My cat.
So, it's near,
My cat.
I mean, from Belgium to France,
My cat.
it's like how many?
Belgium is very small.
Guys, my
Yeah.
cat is
So, naka-enter na kami sa France.
sleeping again, guys.
So, ang ano pala, Belgium, France is malapit lang talaga. So, parang nag-drive lang kami 30 minutes, ha? 30 minutes, and we're here na in France. Pero, malayo pa yung drive namin because kasi yung location ng Eiffel Tower is like 4 hours.
Hindi ako, tsaka may strawberry today.
And so, ibig sabihin,
Tsaka
France, it's big country or what?
Very.
Oh, it's big.
tsaka
Oh, okay.
makatok ito, tsaka
So, ganun pa.
bola siya, oh.
So, malaki pala ang...
A cute strawberry.
Okay na ako naman. So, malaki pala ang France. Well, I don't know. It's first time kasi na mapupunta ako dito. So, malayo, kaya malayo yung driving namin. It's because yung Eiffel Tower location is a bit more far. So, Eiffel Tower is where? Is it Paris?
Yeah, it's downtown.
Paris downtown.
Then, it's my first time taking care of this pet.
Anyway, we'll see you later, guys. We'll update you kung pag nakadating na kami doon. Actually, di pa ako kumakain ng umagahan. Pero maganda yun kasi late na kami kumain ng dinner kagabi. Madami ako nakain na lamb biryani, yung may rice. Na-miss ko yun. Kaso medyo parang ang bloated. So, hindi na muna ako kumain. Later na lang. Pag nag-stop over kami. So, later ulit. Ito na. Nakarating na kami sa Eiffel Tower. Ang ganda niya. Naghahanap kami ng parking. So, since naghahanap kami ng parking, nakukunan ko na rin siya. Nakita na namin siya ng malapitan. Sobrang niyang ganda. Ito na ang Paris. Alec, how are you? Nakasampung panaginip ka. So, ito na pala yung downtown ng Paris. It's okay. Yung famous parang design nila sa building na nakikita natin lagi sa movie. And syempre, later, babayad na si Daddy Albert ng parking. We'll try ang famous sa Paris, Parisian food is normally croissant, cheese, crepes, which is we'll try it later after the Eiffel Tower. Magagalaw yung kamay ko, nagbibideo ako. Ayun, kaway-kaway yung bata. Nalagyan na ng SPF yan. Okay. That's it. And we're here in Paris. So, isa yan sa bucket list ko. Which is, papunta na kami. Very sunny today. Mainit. Ang swerte namin, nakapag-park kami sa malapit. Kasi nga, ang hirap ng parking dito. Ang hirap ng parking dito, syempre, ang daming tao, ang daming turista. So, hindi masyadong malayo lalakarin namin. Tapos mamaya titingin kami ng mga souvenir, ganoon. Sa Belgium, hindi ako nakabili kahapon eh. But, we tried the nice chocolate in Belgium, homemade. And sakto, today is a sunny day. Ay, yan ba yan? Sunny day ngayon, 27 degree dito sa Paris. So, sakto suot namin cotton. Hoy, go, 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 go. So, ayun na yung baba nung Eiffel Tower. So, si Daddy Albert sinasabi, akit do kami. Ayoko nga. Takot nga ako sa heights eh. So, eto na siya, oh. So, here we go. Eiffel Tower it is. Natutuwa ako kasi nasa bucket list ko nga to, di ba? Sabi ko kanina. I never thought na makikita ko siya this year. Kasi we was planning next year sana. Pero since na mag-stay kami rito few days, kasi nga pupunta kami sa Disneyland para sa birthday ni Alec. Asan? Asan? Andyan na si Mickey Mouse. Saan? Wala naman. Ayun nga, lika take tayo picture. Eiffel Tower. Nasa baba na kami. Wow. Okay lang. Lika. So, ito kami ni Alec. Ayun si Daddy Albert. Mag-picture muna kami. Later, update namin kayo.
Jarig toch?
Yeah.
Wat ga je dan zeggen?
Then have
Oké, kom. Poos.
then I have this with a
Nederlands.
strawberry in it.
Ja, wat zit er allemaal daarin? Hallo, kijk eens naar mij. Wat zit er allemaal in daar? Wat is dat?
Aardbei.
En krijg je nog meer cadeautjes?
Ja.
Wat krijg je allemaal dan?
Weet het niet.
En mag je nog wat uitzoeken van Mama Wietske?
Ja.
Hoeveel euro had je gekregen? Kijk nou even.
6 denk ik.
Nee, 50 toch?
50.
Oké, hey, zeg maar bye bye.
Okay ba yung bag?
Yeah.
Titingin si Alec ng souvenir. Gusto daw niya ma-remember ang Paris.
Yeah.
This is the
This
bag.
Paris, not only Disneyland Paris, this Paris too.
Ayan na nga. Ayan na nga. So, okay. So, dito na kami sa French restaurant. Siyempre, pag nandito ka sa Paris, you have to try their famous, diba, croissant or kung ano yung food nila, Parisian food. Eh, wala sila yung croissant I wanna try. Pero meron silang panna cotta. So, me and Alec will try. We'll try panna cotta. And then, ano pa yung order ni Daddy Albert? I think that's it, yeah. And, yeah. After this, we'll go to the full-time hotel namin. So, doon na kami mag-dinner. So, it's, I think, 45 minutes drive from here.
Meow, meow, meow.
Did you enjoy Eiffel Tower?
Yeah, and there's a strawberry with my cat, so yeah, and you can
Ano,
go
explain na
like
naman.
a wall.
So, later ulit, guys.
I love it, it's like space.
So, mamaya ulit, tingnan natin kung masarap yung panna cotta. So, ito na yung panna cotta. And what is this hand order?
That's pistachio, like the ones
Dry,
they have in the
dry cookies, pistachio. Ito kami, bibili kami ng famous croissant, yung donut nila for breakfast or tomorrow. We're getting the croissant, we're getting the donut for breakfast tomorrow. What else we need? That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Dinner muna kami, gutom na. Nandito kami sa, I don't know. So this is the area sa kung saan kami nakastay. First night dito sa kami sa tapas. So I ordered paella. Alec has chicken and Albert has this squid. I ordered this.
That's super cool.
Oh, that's the squid.
Yeah, it's still swimming.
Wait, Hana. That's the paella. Hi!
Hi, ang init.
Oo nga guys, ang init. So, nandito na kami dito sa Binoko. It's an apartment. There is a kitchen on the side. But, the temperature here where we are in France, it's hot. So, wala silang AC. But anyway, that's for today. And tomorrow we'll be in Disneyland. So, we'll see tomorrow. And now, good night. We'll see you in the... Ayan yung nabili niyang souvenir. Pakita mo. Doon sa Paris. Anyway, guys. See you all tomorrow. Papahinga na kami. Good night.